Hey guys, welcome back. Well, we have done a surprise trip which we weren't planning to do today, but we are at the Cotswold Water Park and I couldn't be more excited. Mel is over in the kiosk right now and he is going to be hiring a kayak for the day, and we are going to be going out in this beautiful lake, and then we are going to get kitted up. We're going to get the supboard out and all our wetsuits and Monty's little lifeguard jacket, and we are going to be hitting the lake, and we are so excited. I've been wanting to do this for so long, and today is the day we're going to be doing it. We'll take you with us, of course, and I hope you have a great day along with us. We've got a lovely couple coming over here. He's got his budgie smugglers on.
Mum, you can't film them.
Why not?
That's so sweet.
Yeah, he's ready to go.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored?
It's quite tiring doing this, isn't it?
My nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings.
caught up in the weeds. Monster, you're doing alright. Oh! Thanks! How do you feel about that? Oh, it's
Wonderful.
good, isn't it?
It was fun. It was really good
It was
fun.
fun. The only thing we said was
Good
that we couldn't
exercise.
see each other, could we?
No, because I was in the front, Becky's in the back, so it was very hard to communicate, really.
Yeah, I couldn't hear what Mel was saying sometimes.
Mind you, at least you got my better side, my back side.
So we're going to jump in, get all this wet gear off and get some lunch and find a nice picnic spot. Well, that is it. We are back in Stroud and we had a brilliant time over at the Cotswold Water Park. Definitely somewhere that we're going to go to again. So where we went, I'll put it down below in the what 3 words in the description, and you can go and check it out for yourselves. But until next time, guys, take care. See you soon. Bye. Is that like 8 people in it, isn't it?
They look like refugees.
That's not okay. That's not okay to say. Mel's off to rescue the refugees.
They're having a family day out, bringing back happy memories when they cross the English Channel. Either that or things are so bad they want to go back.
Yeah, it could be.